Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am your physics teacher from United Public School, Tandur. Yesterday we are starting our physics first chapter, 10th class physics first chapter, that is called reflection of light at curved surfaces. Yesterday we are discussed about what is light and what is reflection. What is reflection? And we are discussing about this diagram. What is this? This is a plane surface. This is incident line. This is reflected line. Incident lines bonds the plane and reflected other direction. Yesterday we have missed the one point, that is called angle of incident is equals to angle of reflection. What is that? Angle of incident is equals to angle of reflection. What does this mean? If this incident angle is 40 degree, the reflection angle also 40 degree. It is not different. There are angle of incident is equals to angle of reflection. Next we are discussing about ray and beam. Ray and beam of light. Ray of light and beam of light we have to discuss today. Okay, ray of light. What is ray of light? There is no definition of ray of light. Just we have to understand the ray of light. A straight line drawn in the direction of propagation of light is called as ray of light. If we open the torch, this is our diagram. If you open the torch, the light direction is this direction. Light direction is this direction. The ray of light, the single straight line drawn from the direction of propagation of light. That line, the thin line, it is called ray. What is called the straight line drawn in the direction of propagation of light is called as ray of light. Okay, the one single line is called a ray, which passes from torch. Okay, what is beam of light? The beam of light, the group of rays and the collection of rays is called beam of light. The single line is called ray, and the group of lines, the group of rays is called as beam. What is the definition? The group of ray and the collection of ray is called beam of light. With the help of diagram we can understand what is beam of light. Here is the torch, and here the rays are passes from the torch. What are the 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on? Not only 4, we have so many rays passes. The group of rays and the collection of rays is called as beam. And the beam is classified into 3 groups. How many groups? The beam is classified into 3 groups. What are they? The parallel beam of light. First one we have a parallel beam of light. Second one is conversion of light, and third one is diversion of light. First we have to see first one. What is first one? The parallel beam of light. What is first one? Parallel beam of light. In this beam we are classified the 3 beams. What are the first one is parallel beam of light. What is parallel? Let's see. The ray of light are parallel to each other. What is meant by parallel? The lines which are not meet at a point. What is meant by parallel? The 2 lines which not meet at a point. The ray of the light are parallel to each other, and the direction between the distance. Okay, the ray of light are parallel to each other, and the distance between the ray remains the same. What is meant by the second point? The ray of light are parallel to each other. All the lines are parallel. No, all beams. It is total is called beams of light. These beams of light are parallel to each other. These 2 are parallel to each other. These 2 are parallel to each other. Second point is that the distance between the rays remains same. Distance between these 2 rays and these 2 rays are same. No, same. From here to here, the distance between the 2 rays is same. Here to here, the distance between are same. This is called the parallel beam of light. What are the ray of light? Are parallel to each other. The distance between the ray remains same. This is the diagram of parallel beam of light. The second one, convergent beam of light. Second one is convergent beam of light. The ray meet at a point. The ray meet at a point. The distance between the rays going on decreasing till the ray meet at a point. Let's see what is that definition. The ray meet at a point. What is meant by here the diagram? With the help of diagram we can understand the definition. The ray meet at a point means all rays, all beam of lights are meet at a point. Okay, what is the second point? The distance between the rays, the distance between the rays going on decreasing. Here this, the distance between the all the rays are more. We come to the point when going to the point, its distance are going on decreasing. Here is distance is more. Here distance between the two beams is more. Distance between two rays are more, and it is going towards the point. It's going on decreasing. This is means the conversion of beam of light is the ray. The ray meet at a point. The ray meet at a point. The distance between the ray going on decreasing until all the ray meet at a point. जब तक पॉइंट में मिल जाते, जब तक वो उसका डिस्टेंस क्या हो जाता, कम होता रहता. Third one is divergent beam of light. What is the divergent beam of light? Let's see the definition. What is divergent? Third one is divergent beam of light. The light spread out from the point. The light is spread out, passing from the point. What is meant by spread out? Passing from the point. The light spread out from the point. The light spread out from the point. The distance between the rays going on decreasing. Look at the diagram here. The light is spread out from the point, and the distance between, here the distance is very less. Okay, after passing the rays from the point is going on increasing. Look at the diagram. The distance between the rays going on increasing. Here the distance between the two rays is less, and passing some distance is the distance between the rays is increasing. This is the divergent beam of light. What is the divergent beam of light? The light is spread out from the point, and distance between the rays is going on decreasing. This is the diagram of divergence of beam. This is the second top. This is three beams of light. What are they? First is parallel beam of light, second one is convergent beam of light, and third one is divergent beam of light. Let's see the one more topic in our chapter, in our lesson. What is that? Spherical mirror. Spherical mirror. What are the spherical mirror? The refracting side, the refracting surface of the mirror is spherical. Spherical means is curved, is having the curved surface. Okay, it is a spherical mirror. It is called as spherical mirror. If the refracting surface of the mirror is spherical, it is a spherical mirror. See here straight line is there. Straight line means straight plane. Our paper also is straight plane reflecting surface. Whereas look at this pen, it's a curve. If we enter the light, it is the refracting surface. Okay. What is the refracting surface? If the refracting surface of the mirror is a spherical, it is a spherical mirror. Look at the plane. It is a plane reflecting surface, and it is a spherical reflecting surface. Again, spherical mirror are two types. What are they? Concave mirror and convex mirror. This mirror are already studied in our lower classes. First, we have to know about convex mirror. What is convex mirror? In the refracting surface of the spherical mirror is curved outside. Which is curve? Curve is outside. Okay, when the light is enter in the curved side. Okay, what is convex mirror? In the convex mirror, in the refracting surface of the spherical mirror is curved outside. Bahar. Is curved outside means is a curve outside. The light is enter on the outside surface which is curved. What are the example of that mirrors? Is rear view mirrors and dentist mirror. Go towards the concave mirror. What is concave mirror? Concave mirror. If the refracting surface of the spherical mirror is curved inside, अंदर तरफ मुड़े हुआ रहता है. कैसे रहता? What is that? If the refracting surface of the spherical mirror is curved inside. Look at this triangle. The light is in the inner side of the curve. What are the example? Headlight, reflector, and solar cookers. Okay, my today's class is completed. You have to write all the definition, whatever I discuss in our class. Okay, you have to write in your notes and send me in the group. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.